All right, we got Smokey B's Natural here with his awesome little Volkswagen setup, and he's going to show us around. Right. So what have we got here?
It's a 1983 Westfalia. It's a full RV setup made in Germany. Purchased it about a year ago and kind of tinkering around, repainting it. I changed out the tent canvas up top. It seats 4, but if you want to come in, check it out. I've got full stove, sink, refrigerator. Back here in this cabinet, I've got a 15-gallon water tank. Plenty of closet space. Got storage underneath the seat here for any tools and whatnot I need. And then the bed. The seat actually folds out. So, well, I got the bed in the way, but there we go. Got a full-size bed. And then up top, it folds over as well. Got another full-size bed so I can sleep 4 people. But, it's been a good time so far.
So what made you go with the Volkswagen rather than one of the newer vans?
Everybody has a newer van. So when I saw this, I was like, well, this has got character.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
You gotta love the old Volkswagens.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Well, this thing is amazing, everybody. I had to get down here and have him show it off.
Yeah.
So what year did you say it was again?
1983.
Gasoline powered?
Gasoline powered. It's actually a water-cooled engine. It's the first year for the water-cooled.
Absolutely beautiful rig.
I think that's my favorite part. I got the Jeep LED headlights, so I can actually see when I'm driving.
Hey, those make a huge difference.
Yes, they do.
Well, thanks, man. I appreciate you giving us a tour.
Thank you.
Gotta love your old Volkswagens.